Rock, paper, scissors. You go first.
Open the flag.
Danger World.
God clock.
My body is Mercenaries, Dignity, Dragolo.
My body is deity of Ian, time ruler dragon.
You go first.
Charge. And, call time scout Omega. Cast Chronos Sin Epitaph. Put top deck gauge and put one card with both Dragon and Time Dragon from deck 1. Call Time Scout Lunge. Call Deity of Ion. What do you call? No reverse cards yet, so pay 2 gauge and top 2 cards of deck. Skill. When soul is put into a size 3 time dragon original, draw 2 cards. Cast clock 1. Put hand card to the bottom. Hand card to the bottom. And look top 3. Put 1 to hand and the rest to the drop. Skill. Time Scout Omega. When my flag is reversed, look at top 3, put 1 to gauge, 1 to hand, and the rest either drop or soul of Time Dragon. 1, 2, 3. Put 1 to hand, 1 to gauge, and 1 to the soul. Cast Chronos Alnete. Look at top 3 cards of the deck, put 1 to hand, the rest to the gauge. But I only have 1 reverse card. So 1, 2, 3. One to hand, the rest to the gauge. Entering battle phase.
Go.
Attack for 2.
About to eight.
Turn.
Draw. Charge and cast caught iron legs cast with gold. P1 gauge if you put up to one to dual golem item. Cut.
Cut.
Equip Earth plus their demonic rock from dual golem na equip plus.
Go.
Call. Body count. Put a card from the drop zone into all gauge. All dual golems, critical plus 1.
Can your monsters be destroyed?
Hmm.
Or no ability?
No. Yeah.
Can.
Can be.
Okay.
I set giant cadaver call.
Go.
Abilities all cards on the field can be verified by your opponent's abilities. Call demonic rock neck trooper a golem revival. P1 gauge, put a top card of your deck into exile. Size is reduced by 2 if I have 4 or more critical. And all cards cannot be rested and abilities cannot be verified. Cast round alpha. Draw a card.
Oh.
And put the number of cards from the top of your deck equal to the number of dual golem monsters on your field. Cast Immense Pressure.
Null spell. Almost reversed.
Cast
No.
Sorry.
Oh yeah. On top. Go.
Immense Pressure. Critical Armor, draw 2 cards.
Can your item attack
No.
even with something in the center?
No. It cannot attack if I have something in the center. Overkill. P1 gauge. For this turn, all monsters on your field gets plus 20,000. And critical plus 2.
Monsters.
Mm.
How many crit?
Nick. Crit for 8.
8. Clock 2. Put a hand card. And and flip this card. If you do draw a card. If there are cards in battle, in the battle, so no. Wait, I will counter. Skill. When opponent's cards, when you have reversal, look at top 3, put 1 to hand, and put 1 to gauge, 1 to hand, and drop the rest, or put top 3. Put to hand, put to gauge, and 1 to soul. And soul, draw 2 cards. Then I will cast this Trap Soul and pay 1 card. Choose a card on your opponent's field for each time your flags is reversal. 1, 2. Rest, but they cannot restand anymore.
Cannot be asked.
Yeah, but you cannot restand anymore.
So, destroy. First is this one. Destroy deal 1.
Just get this one will get the item will get the +1 crit from okay.
And then just draw a card. And then manadulwal mo gain 2 life. 1, 2. Draw a card and stand up. Kaya stand. Defense.
8,000.
Your
This one. Redirect to center.
not redirect to him. To the center. Center.
Okay. Won't reach.
How many?
8,000.
I did overkill.
Monsters only.
Anytime.
Draw. Charge and draw. Cast. Wait. Choose a time dragon. Wait. Cast clock 3. Clock reactivate. Choose a time dragon monsters in your drop zone. And put a hand card to the bottom, on the bottom, to the bottom layer.
Mhm.
If you do call the chosen card by paying its call cost. And when reverse, still lock up 3. Put 1 to hand, 1 to gauge, and 1 to soul. 1 to gauge, 1 to soul, 1 to hand, 1 to gauge. When mga card is put to the soul, draw 2 cards. Call Taylor Luna. Gauge cost is reduced by 3, so no gauge. And put 2 cards from drop zone to the zone. Put 2 time dragon. If I have a card in reversal, the size is reduced by 3.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
Cast Chronos Almete.
Mhm.
Look at top 3. Put 1 to hand, the rest to the gauge. And if my life, I have 2 or more reverse, gain 2 life. Of top 3, put 1 to hand, the rest. 1 to hand, the rest to the gauge. Cast Chronos Slick Movement. Pay 1 gauge. Draw 2 cards. If my reversal, 3 times draw another card. Cast Chronos Banti Arch. Pay 1 life. Draw a card. If reversal 2 or more times, draw another card. So draw 2 cards. Entering battle.
Mhm.
How much defense?
5,000.
Ano? 12,000. Penetrate for 3. On attack, if my flag is reversal, destroy up to 1 card on your opponent's field. I destroy and attack. On attack, destroy, then attack. Destroy,
Destroy.
then attack. Penetrate for 3.
1, 2, 3. Wait. When Movable Garden is destroyed, doesn't have to be my turn.
Yeah.
When 2 life. Draw a card.
draw card only on your turn.
If this your turn. Oh, no.
Just game ulit. Only monster or all? Monster. Attack you. Link attack for 5. Destroy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Destroy.
Yes.
Dito.
Attack you for 7. Destroy 6 spell.